Hello, may I sit here?
Yes, you may. Nobody wants to sit here anyway.
Thank you. I'm Kelly from the 8th grade. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Sophia.
Okay, it seems like you don't like talking very much. Am I bothering you? I can move to another table if you want me to.
No, not at all. I like talking, but I don't know what to talk about. And I don't know you either.
It's okay, Sophia. Do you know that normally lunchtime is a good time to make new friends?
Not for me.
What happened? You said nobody wants to sit here with you. Why?
Well, they think of me as a bookworm and a weirdo. They're trying to isolate me from the school, but it's fine. I don't care about it anyway.
That's so bad. They shouldn't do that to you. That's not fair.
Hey, I heard that you are a new student. Where are you from?
California?
Good. Why are you sitting here with this dumb girl? Let's move to our table. We still have an empty spot for you. Come on.
Thank you for your kindness. I'm fine. I'll sit here and talk to Sophia. She's my new friend.
Oh no, you aren't her friends. Do you know who her friends are?
No?
The cows!
Stop! You're being rude to us. Stay away.
Huh? Unbelievable. You will soon regret your decision. Call me if you change your mind. This is my number.
No, thanks. I don't want a friend like you. Leave Sophia alone.
Well, okay. Bye. Why did you protect me?
Because that's the right thing to do. I'm not afraid of her. Bullying needs to be stopped.
Thanks. You're so nice.
Why did I just say the cow were your best friend?
Because I love the animals. My family owns a large animal farm. I have had nobody to talk with since I was a kid. So I decided to talk to the animal. Do you think I'm insane?
No, not at all. I love animals too. Look at this keychain. Those are the pictures of all kinds of animals that I have taken in the past 3 months.
Wow, it's so cute. How could you take a picture of a swan flying in the sky like this?
Mother taught me how to use a camera to take a picture of a moving thing.
Was a hurricane coming afterward?
Yes, how do you know?
Do you think the animal can predict the weather or other natural events?
No, they're not a meteorologist. How could they know about the weather?
The farmers in the countryside think so. For such a long time, they observe animals and notice many things about the way animals act. The swan flying into the wind is an example.
How about the cows?
Well, from my experience, when they lie down, a rainstorm is coming. At first, they were just story, and the scientists did not really trust them. But at the moment, they take another look at animals to see if there is truth behind these beliefs. They found some interesting things.
Do you read all of this on the internet?
No, I read them in the animal book that I bought last week from an old bookstore.
Do you bring the book with you?
Yes, I do. I put the book in the classroom. Do you want to come with me?
Yeah, why not?
Here is the book.
Who is this?
He is a Japanese earthquakes researcher. His name is Kayoyoshi Sadamura.
The book said he noted the changes in animal behavior before the disaster.
That's right. The number of dog bites increased in the short time before earthquake hit. He did an investigation of 12 public health centers in Kobe, Japan. The centers are responsible for taking care of people after a big earthquake. The surprising thing was that 1 month before the big earthquake, treatment for animal bites had increased.
Oh, does mean the animals were getting more aggressive?
Yep. Here, look at this. What do you notice about this fish?
Nothing special. They are just swimming, aren't they?
Yeah, but they just swim in a large group in the middle of the water, not near the edges. That can be a sign of an earthquake coming.
And birds too. The book said that birds may fly away from their nest for many days, leaving their eggs unprotected.
Poor the baby birds.
It looks like the animal can predict natural events better than people. Well. Look, our widow just made a new friend. Are you having fun? Yes, we are. Do you have any problem with that? Am I looking like I care what you think? Ridiculous. Your parents did not teach you about respect? They did. I just respect humans. I don't respect bookworms or anyone who is a friend of that yucky bookworm. What? You must be kidding me.
Hey, stop arguing. Kelly, I'll handle it. Hey, I have enough of you. You think I'm yucky? Do you know what is more yucky? That is a beautiful girl was caught in a cake that had fallen on the floor of the toilet. Does it sound familiar to you?
What are you talking about?
Look at this. I have evidence. I recorded the video.
Aha! Should we publicize it and make it viral in the school? No, please, I'm sorry. Please delete it. I promise I will stop bullying you.
Stay away from us or you will live in the hell for the rest of your life.
Yes, I'm sure. Well done, Sophia. I'm surprised.
Thank you for standing up for me. Could we be friends?
No.
Huh?
Because we are already friends.
Yay! Thank you!